Greetings and salutations, and welcome back to more Monster Hunter 3 Ultimate. Let's get started, shall we? Let's see. So, in the last episode I just uploaded was the farming episode 3.5, where I finally hunted and collected all of the Jaggy equipment and upgraded the... I'm pretty sure it's the Jaggy Greatsword. Looks like it. And somehow turned metal into bone works, it almost seems, but... Today we're going to be kicking it off by capturing a bear. Let's see. A while back, I happened to... Oop, my bad. Well, a while back, I happened to cross a Zoros. A Zoros? Catching fish in a river. Talk about the one that got away. If we could somehow capture it, I reckon I could use its material to whip up some fancy fish gear. Sun-baked fisherman. That sounds painful. Before I accept them, I'm gonna make sure I have everything topped off. I've actually not made any traps, so this is my first capturing monster quest. Let's go. I just can't mess this up. Because I'm pretty sure these quests give you a free trap and 3 trank bombs. So it's like, yeah, you got one chance. Don't mess it up. Let's get this kicked off. Hi. This time your contract is a little more, shall we say, lively. You have to capture a monster alive. Now, the most important thing to do when trying to capture a monster is to weaken it first. Watch the monster for signs of weakness, like if it starts to drag its feet as it moves, that means it's capturing time. Once your target starts to tucker out, put a pitfall trap or shock trap to keep it in one place, then toss a trank bomb or 2 at it. Gunners also can shoot trank shots to subdue monsters. Hey, whatever works. Larger monsters might require more than one of whatever you end up using in order to capture. If you haven't weakened a monster enough, you might fail to capture it. You'll get the hang of it with practice. Take all the free stuff this time. Okay, they actually gave me 2 shock traps? I'll take them. Let's see what we got. Some lovely Aptonoths eating. I'm pretty sure the bear is in probably area 3. Plenty around. Those bugs just got out of there just in the nick of time. Like, we got our food, we're getting the hell out of here. Ooh, good face hit. Get wrecked, son. What you gonna do? 1. I charged it too long. I'll take a hit. got one. Does that break both? Yeah, seems like it breaks both. Yep, it does. I have to be careful not to kill him. Look. Yep. We both missed. Embarrassing, both of us. There's no way he is already limping. I just started this hunt. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to make sure, because there is no way. Let's get off that, because I do not want to accidentally place it. He's moving. Okay, stop. Okay, nope. Oh, here. I did not mean to do that. Oh, Lord. He just wanted to make me into a milkshake real quick. I apologize. I feel like I could probably... I mean, I could capture him right now, but I never have defeated a monster this quickly before. Until I was using, like, high tier on low rank monsters. I mean, high rank on low rank monsters. That is super strange to me. What? Come on, man. Okay. That was quick. A beast taker. Damn. Okay, that went way quicker than I thought it would. Oh my god. Zorus pelt. A pelt carved from Zorus. The white portions are soft, while the blue are short and taunt. Nice. A bone. Oh yeah, that's the bone. Another pelt. Bone. Jumbo bone. Oh, did not read jumbo bone. My bad. Azorus brace. A brace from the Azorus's floral legs. Its sharp points give forging equipment a wild flavor. Forged equipment a wild flavor. Okay, interesting. Let's see. Honey Hunter. I'm glad they brought my teddy bear back in Rise. Let me see how his equipment looks. Oop, wrong one. Display. That looks pretty good. What does a chess piece look like? Ooh, nice. What's the skill? Wrong one. So just tack up an auto guard? Interesting. Let's see what they got. Hey, you seem like you're in the loop around here. So maybe this is old news, but the kids are carrying on about some odd creature they saw in the woods. At first, I figured it was just their imaginations playing a trick on them. But then I cornered the kid who saw it and heard his report firsthand. Sounds like we've got a shakalaka. Yeah, shakalaka on our hands. Shakalaka looks like us, except half as tall and with weird masks. Don't let their size fool you. They're vicious. I've heard tell that they're worse than wyverns when they attack as a group. If a tribe has shown up in our woods, I hope I'm just jumping to conclusion. But if you're planning to search for the little buggers, you best be prepared. Oh, by the way, the kids insisted on asking the guild to look into the thing they saw. Go check the quest counter. Okay. And the bear should start showing up in the woods because I defeated him the first time. See, anyone else talk to you besides him? Did I build something on the farm? I get the points now. I'm gonna have him start growing me some herbs. Herbs. No enriching. Only 3 cycles. I'll take it. Great work, kid. I need to do a better old man voice. Great work, kid. Nope, that's not good. Great work, kid. I think we can all agree you're no rookie anymore. But don't be cocky, hear you? You hear? Like I said, the Azorus is feline's play. There is plenty of tougher monsters out there. None now then. While you were out, you missed a bit of excitement in the village. One of our boys came home saying he spotted a strange creature in the woods. Neither human nor monster, he says. Sure, we can chalk it up to playful imagination, but I think his story warrants a listen, at least. Better safe than sorry, right? I'll let him give you the details. Do me a favor and go investigate. Heck, do yourself a favor. The guild is treating this one as an official quest. You should drop by the quest counter. So where's the little boy at? Do I talk to him or is it just the little quest? Is this him? Oh, I remembered something. Did I ever tell you I ran into a huge monster once? I was trying to get away from it and I started running in this really funny looking way. Also, I tried what it's called evading, and before I knew it, I shot through the air like a slingshot. Whoa. You know what I heard? I heard that when you're doing one of these huge leaps, the monster can't hurt you. I think the grown-ups call it in oh, I forgot. Okay, bye. This invulnerability frames? Iframes. Okay, kid's not in here. I was just checking. Nice work, Hunter. Not just anybody could capture such a fierce creature, especially without any decent intel. Now, don't let it go to your head, but everybody at the Guild HQ is talking about you and me, your trusty Leon. Can't speak. By now, I bet you're thinking about time you were approved to hunt in a new area, huh? Well, slow down, partner. There's a little boy in the village who has a request for you. See, he spotted some kind of strange creature in the woods. He thinks it's a pixie. Isn't that cute, kids? You should have seen him. A few measly zenny clutched in his tiny hand as he begged for anyone to help. Be a sport and check it out, even if it does sound like a bunch of malarkey. Just be careful. Wouldn't want the pixie to turn you into a pumpkin or something. Also, the kid dumped his life savings into this request. Don't expect some millions any reward, okay? If you complete the quest, I'll write you a sterling letter of recommendation. I promise. Snicker. Yeah. Everyone says I overreact. Overactive imagination, whatever that means. But I swear I saw a pixie out in the Moby Woods. Could you go check it out and prove that I'm not a big fat liar? Pretty please? What's their actual money? On check. 60 zenny. I mean, 60 zenny? I think is not bad for a little kid. Like, I'm pretty sure you could get some stuff from the shop pretty cheap for that. Here's my boy. What's wrong, Hunter? Champion. Oh, I couldn't even read that. Hit. I missed. Ah. Gotcha. Ah, do the freaking swing. Oh my god, the roundhouse. Do the roundhouse. There. Where did we just go? It's one of these. So go and save him 3 times. It's like, why didn't you just stay with me when I saved your little butt? Save me again. Looks like save me, good hunter. Save me. And just absolutely smacks him with the flat side of his sword. Yep, I'm actually going to try to harvest him this time. And he left again. Area 2. Kind of curious what's going to be in this area. Just a massive devil joke. Do, 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 do. Oh my god! What? Now where are you going? Please tell me you're going back to camp. Cha-cha safe. Cha-cha thought me done for. Were you talking to ass? My text boxes last longer than you. My cha-cha. Send to item box. Nothing new here. Masked and proud. Oh, well, how about that? The creature was a chakalaka kid who couldn't find his way home. Well, you know what this means. Cook him alive. What? Haha, just kidding. At Moga Village, we welcome all visitors with open arms. Be them chakalakas or the cats. Besides, I like this kid. Talk about sense of humor. Did you hear him say that he wants you to be his minion? So, how do you think you'd feel about looking after him for a while? Take him hunting with you. He's clearly a gutsy kid, and you'd be giving him experience that'll last him a lifetime. What? Don't give me that look. Ha! Relax. I mean, look at the two of you. You are a dynamic duo already. Chaha! It is a greedy hunter. Cha-chas tried to put hurt on the monster, but then hunter charge, steal cha-cha thunder, and chop. Cha-cha, tide tongue. Yeah. Chawa? You ask who is Cha-cha? Chakalaka-laka. Chakalaka. You No, no. Cha-cha. Your brain hurty. Me was proud, wandering lone wolf, champion, the great Shakalaka tribe. Me name Cha-cha. Now, Laka listen. Cha-cha no lost. Me on long time walkie. It Shakalaka village custom to grow from child to Laka adulthood. One must walkie and find own mask. Cha-cha. You ask why Cha-cha walkie here in force? Shakada seems Shaka clear Cha-cha lost way as soon as me step from Vil Cha. Cha-cha get to point. During legendary journeys, me discovered Chamazing gold mask. Aka Maskala. It make Cha-cha eye holes go ooga ooga. Cha-cha, this close to grab, but then mask slip through fingers. Why? It long said tail make Cha-cha very upset. So Cha-cha make mini mask here at village. Cha-cha deliver mask that put gold one to Chagala shame. Cha-cha here until Takalaka sends search party on Chagalam until makes a lot of masks. End of story. Because you chase Chaka's Cha-cha's Chum Chow, me demand compensation. You now Cha-cha's minion. But me fairly Monsterlock. When you need friendly like a chat, come visit Cha-cha. That is way of Chakalaka. Okay. Vital quest. Yes, you are with me now. Hello, Hunter. You hunt well, we trade well, yes. You just in time. Carrier pigeon, come with good news. Another land wants to trade with you for Mogi commodities. This one is the hunter realm. Their trade goods certain to benefit your hunting. One complication. Now that other lands want to trade with you, we must formulate plan. Mayhap you want to explanation about choosing destinations and length of voyage. I'm just gonna give the rundown instead of trying to read this off. More or less, you have him go to more lands, and he'll take him longer to come back to the village to trade. It's honestly best just to have him go visit all the lands. Gives you plenty of time to like gather up stuff. So very well. You figured out yourself without my help, yes. Not that hard. The sea breeze beckons. Yeah, so what stopovers? Yeah. So that he visit both the farmer's realm and the hunter's realm. A fertile land that is home to self-sufficient farmers who trade crops and wares to the Argosy. A land of hunters whose tools and weapons are hard to come by in the Mogo village, village outside of trading. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's see. How do I craft mass? Let's see. Oh, it's actually quest he gives me. That's right. Hello, silly hunter. I can tell you about the new items that if you don't visit every hour. How can I tell you about new items if you don't visit every hour? I've got every gunner's dream, a blast of new bowgun ammo. It's enough to make Blade Master switch specialties. And then there's my personal favorite, the Organizer Guide. These magazines will let you get the most out of, how should I say it, your item box. You won't have to fret about running out of room in there again. You hunters have more important things to think about. The price is a little high, but I'd be willing to trade it for a lock of your hair or your used armor, kid. Why? 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 Why a lock of my hair or my used armor? Thank goodness she didn't say use something else. Once again, Hunter, you've gotten incredible results. Color me impressed. Who would have thought there really was some mysterious thing living in the woods? I'm moved, I must say, to have such pure, trusting heart. See this tear in the corner of my eye? Down to business. Letters singing your praise have come from all across the land. Know that it means, drumroll, presenting a new hunting ground. You can now head into the flooded forest. Wondering what sort of place it is? Yeah, me too. According to my in-depth, kind of heavy guidebook, the flooded forest is a forest flooded with water. Boom. Oh wow. Don't forget your towel. Oh, and the guild also wants you to hunt a big monster called a quatupedal. Quatupeco? On the sandy plains. Time to strut your stuff. Ugh. No, not him. Where is he? There he is. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see what we got. I don't really have anything. I guess I could probably go ahead and hunt him. Let me store my stuff. Store my stuff. Let's see. Let's go ahead and play with fire. I remember this bird. I remember him very well. Drink this real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not fighting him in this area. Here he comes. Block! Block! I forgot to block! Oh, I forgot I had that. I was going to do this loud war. I'm probably just switch those buttons out. I don't know why I think Y is the swing. Oh, come on! That's what we need you to join the fight. Oh, didn't mean to. I thought my game just crashed. Okay, come around from the corner, please. His nipple on his beat. I was hoping to flip a swing. Come on, I want to break the flint. Ooh, we got his beat. I'd like to break that too. Oh, I'll take that. Yeah, he wants something back. Oh, we're gonna tail back and forth. Absolutely got that shit on. Oop, oop. The wrong one. I was aiming for the flint or the beat. Ow. Watch it. Yeah, I don't think so. Man. Can I see his feet? Man. There we go. I wish that would actually prevent him from doing his calls, like, overall. You're not allowed to call them. Oh man, what I'd go for a trap right now. I'll capture this dude. I have no idea where he's going to go. I want to go to area. Yeah. What? Nope. I'm back. Oh, come on. His foot's broken off. I shouldn't bounce off of it. I shouldn't. I hate fighting flying monsters. Are you actually going to go to sleep now? Oh, come on, man. Man, this is why I hate fighting flying monsters. Please go to sleep. Please go to sleep. Please go to sleep. Come on, man. Yeah, this guy was a pain in the butt. I hate fighting him. I mean, I like him, but... There we go. Do you mind? Do you mind? Thank you. I just broke through. Thought you'd come after me. Now none of your packs will take you seriously. It's a 9 bucks. Quack, 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 peck, quack, peck, quack, peck. The calling bird skill. A skill concealed by vivid pigment. Easier to spot if you look near the legs. Oh, vivid feather. A superly colored calling bird feather. Nothing less than a natural work of art. Screamer sack. Strange beak. An oddly shaped beak. It's pleasant enough. Okay. In a flintstone. The body part of a calling bird used to start fires. There's a trick to working it. And then I got... It's bullcrap. I broke his thing. I should have gotten his... Oh, I love that one. His lifestyle. What you got? Ope. Brain thought for new mask come leaping into Cha-Cha head like flaming comet from outer space. The mask with fluffy ears, extra flip-flop, so that you can give hug. Cha-Cha leave plans with village chief Child, Junior. You already see them. Must check. Oh, yeah. Ability, acorn mass. Yep. Oh, no. Why don't you stay with me? See what we got. Hey there, Hunter. You know, people have been hearing particular cries from Moga Woods lately. I bet they're hearing quackapet calls. Maybe the beast has built a nest somewhere. From now on, you may spot quackapets. I'm gonna say songbirds. I mean calling birds in the woods, even if you're not on a quest. You can count on old Junior, me, to gather info to keep checking Moga forecast. Oh, and we masked cuckoo or whatever made a request. I was shocked, as you are. Check the villager request. Velvety hide is from the leeches that was in that one cave. Warm pelts, and then the feathers. Okay. Pretty sweet, huh? Sorry, Hunter. I was lost in thought. The Argosy captain shared some of the news from afar. I can't stop thinking about it. It seems that Finn's not in anyone. What? It seems that Finn not anymore. Not in anymore. Oh. Okay. Let me restart. It seems that Finn's not in anymore, and all the crazy city folk are on some fad diet to pack on the pounds. I hear that because most rich folk are fat and happy, while us working types are horrifyingly muscular and veiny, so skinny city folks are itching to look fat and rich. They've discovered that an all-honey diet will really plump you up. People call it the slim fat diet. It's made honey a hot commodity, and we're going to install honey box on the farm. We need to capitalize on this fad and make honey a major new Moga export. You'll be able to use it too, of course. I made the list of everything we need. I know you're busy, but remember the honey is useful for hunters too. Honey box, yes. Yeah. There it is. That's good stuff. Need that to make mega potions. Let's see. So where am I at? The recording. 51. I can do a little bit of something. Let's do what's in the forecast. Man, something for someone big. Watch out. Hey there, kid. You hunt. Say, kid. Your hunting streak is the talk of the village. I reckon it's about time I filled you in with decorations. You ever notice your equipment have some empty holes called slots? Well, long story short, those slots are for decorations. Decorations award skill points like other kinds of equipment. Of course, the actual numbers aren't very high, but very little. But every little bit counts, as it ain't that right? If you're wearing armor with lots of slots, you can fill them up with just as many decorations. Insta skill points. Got all that down, Hunter? You don't equip decorations directly. Like charms, you have to attach some equipment. Just embed decorations into your skin. It's like, joke's on you. Guess I can. If you got that through your head here, I'll use jewels. We use jewels like this one to make decorations. Yep. That's fun. That's going to be a must for the transporting quest. That or making that one armor. This girl got a foot. Yep. Welcome back. Nice work on that calling bird hunt. While I was back here eating snacks, I had my fingers crossed for you the whole time. What? You want to know where the snacks come from? Nothing gets to you by you. Well, since you asked, we just got a job from the hunting fleet captain. They need you to hunt their eternal rival, the Royal Lugroth. The materials will help keep them help them fix their boat. I've got the snacks for agreeing to take the quest. I already ate your share, but you hunters hate junk food, right? Or to kill you. Don't eat my food. Of course you do. No, we love junk food. Now then, before you go after that Royal Ludrith, you should have a word with the fleet captain. He's an expert in all those pelagic, the royal included. Okay. Good luck. I'll be here snacking on nothing because there is no snacks left. Now shoot. Let me throw my sword. Let me hit her with my sword. I can hit her with a flat end. Chef, smack her for me. So they go talk to him, right? Or is the quest already here? Ah, saving our boat. The Larkris scattered our hunting boat, and now we need parts from our Royal Ludrith to get her ship shape. We just want to make Moga Village prosperous again. It's our duty as local heroes. I will do that. I think I'm going to do that in the next one. This one's starting to get to its limit now. Yes. I'm going to end it here for now, and thank you guys for sticking to the very end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.